Is your Vizio TV screen flickering nonstop? Don't panic, this is fixable, and I'm going to walk you through the fastest advanced solutions right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's fix your TV and get that screen stable again. So why does this happen? In most cases, flickering is caused by loose internal connections, failing backlight components, power instability, or a faulty T-con board. Sounds complex, but don't worry, we'll go step by step. Step 1. Unplug your TV completely. Hold the power button on the TV for 15 seconds. This drains residual power and resets internal circuits. Step 2. Check your HDMI ports. Remove all cables and reconnect them firmly. Try a different HDMI cable if possible. Weak signals can cause flickering. Step 3. Switch to a different input source. If the flicker disappears, the issue is with the original device, not your TV. Step 4. Turn off clear action or motion smoothing in picture settings. These features sometimes create flickering effects on certain panels. Step 5. Reduce backlight intensity. Go into picture settings and lower the backlight level slightly. Overdriving LEDs can cause unstable lighting. Step 6. Inspect the power outlet. Plug your TV into a different wall socket. Avoid power strips. Inconsistent voltage can trigger flickering. Step 7. Now we go advanced. Remove the back panel carefully using a screwdriver. Make sure the TV is unplugged. Look for loose ribbon cables connecting the display panel. Step 8. Gently reseat the T-con board cables. Disconnect and reconnect them firmly. This board controls the display timing, and loose connections often cause flickering lines or flashing. Step 9. Check the power supply board. Look for bulging or leaking capacitors. If you see any, that board needs replacement. Step 10. Test the LED backlight strips. If the screen flickers with brightness changes, your backlight may be failing. Replacing LED strips is a permanent fix. Quick bonus tip, if flickering only happens after the TV warms up, it is almost always a hardware issue like the T-con board or backlight. Focus your fix there first to save time. If you try these steps and your screen stabilizes, you just saved yourself a repair bill. If you run into any issue, drop a comment below. I will personally reply within 1 hour and help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fast and practical tech fixes. You've got this. Let's keep your tech running like new.